This is a set of Danish Teak dining room chairs with the original blue tweed fabric. We have fully refinished these chairs and retained the blue fabric because it's actually in very good condition. All the chairs have been sanded and waxed. They are all sturdy. They've all been fixed, so they're all sturdy. They're not loose. All of the wood pegs on the side have been replaced. It's got a little bit of a darker stain to it. These chairs were dark originally when we purchased them. These chairs are absolutely ready for your home and ready for your dining room.